Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set muted thread action to mark as read or archive or delete in the Mail app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Mail. Next, we scroll down, and from here go to the shredding section and then tap on muted thread action. In here, by default, it is set to mark as read. Now you can choose between archive or delete or mark as read. Select one of the options, then tap on the back key to go back to your settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.